Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make scrolling or moving text animation with scrolling effect in CapCut PC. So as you can see, we have added already a video in here. And if you want to see something like what you see onto the news, wherein the text are scrolling or it is moving here onto the bottom part of the screen, then you're onto the right guide. So for us to be able to do something just like that as well, so since we've added a clip already, let's go ahead and move on to adding the text. So simply click onto text onto the upper left corner of the screen and click onto the default text to add a track. So we'll have this one fit the screen just like that. And we're going to go ahead and edit the text here onto the right side. So you could paste something or anything in there that you have. So let's paste it in here and it should look something like this. So we could lessen the font size for that. You could also change the font of the text that you have in here just like that. And then right after here, you'll just need to scroll down and find in the background. So we need to enable the background for that and you could choose the color for that one. So there are a lot of colors to choose from. You'll just have to choose onto which one you prefer. So for example, you want to do a yellow or red or anything, or we could do blue for this. Right after that, we'll need to head onto the position for this one. And the position is found here onto the position and size. So we could move in the scale to make this a little small. So we could have this at around 85 and we need to position this one wherein the first part of the text is showing just like this. So we're going to position this up until here. And what we need to do is here under the position, we could see the X and Y for that. We're going to click onto the keyframe in here to add that. Now, since we want this to be moving, what we need to do in here is we'll just need to go ahead and have this onto the bottom part of this one and we'll add a keyframe for that. So for us to be able to add in a keyframe, we're going to move this and have the last part of the text added. So we'll just need to find that and we'll position it just like that. And we're going to go ahead and copy the Y for that. Head back onto the first keyframe right after. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and paste in the Y in here that we've copied out earlier. So right after, we're just going to click onto this one and it should go ahead and have this last one as the next keyframe. Now, if you go ahead and click onto play, now the text has been scrolling already onto your clip. Now, if you want to adjust the speed of the text, what you need to do is you'll just need to go ahead and make this higher and then move the keyframe again. And then also you could adjust the clip for that so that it should go ahead and change the speed of the text as well. And that is just basically it onto how to make scrolling or moving text animation with scrolling effect in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.